Urgent sale alert. Check out this Suzuki Liana R11 2006 engine, perfect score and ready to drive. Looking for a reliable low-budget car? This might be the one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch till the end to see why it's a great deal. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today I have brought for you an urgent sale deal that is perfect for those who are looking for a budget-friendly and reliable car. The car we are reviewing today is a Suzuki Liana R11, model 2006, finished in a beautiful pearl white color. If you are searching for an affordable sedan with decent space and comfort, then this car is definitely worth your attention. Let's start with the overall condition. This Liana is in good condition considering its model year. The exterior looks clean, and the pearl white color gives it a fresh and decent appearance. It's a simple yet elegant car that still looks respectable on the road. Now let's talk about one of the biggest highlights of this car. It comes with a new engine installed. This is a very important point because a fresh engine means better performance, improved reliability, and peace of mind for the buyer. You won't have to worry about engine issues anytime soon. Moving towards the transmission, this car comes with a manual gearbox, which is known for its durability and better fuel efficiency. Manual cars are also easier to maintain and are preferred by many drivers in Pakistan. Another great feature is that the car is equipped with original company Liana alloy rims, which enhance its overall look and give it a slightly sporty touch. The car stands well on the road and has a decent presence. Now let's talk about the interior. The Suzuki Liana offers a spacious cabin, making it a good option for small families. The seating is comfortable, and the overall layout is simple and practical. It's a car designed for everyday use, providing convenience and comfort. In terms of performance, the Liana has always been known for its smooth drive. With the new engine installed, you can expect improved performance and a reliable driving experience. Whether you are driving within the city or going on short trips, the car performs well. Another very important aspect is documentation. All documents of the car are clear and complete, and it also comes with a return file, which ensures a smooth transfer process. The owner has clearly mentioned that transfer is a must, which is a good practice and provides security for both buyer and seller. Now let's talk about the price. The demand for this car is 9,95,000 rupees, and it is final. Considering the new engine, decent condition, and overall usability, this is a very reasonable price for someone looking for a budget car. This car is ideal for daily use, first-time buyers, budget-conscious customers, small family use. To quickly summarize, Suzuki Liana R11, model 2006, pearl white color, manual transmission, new engine installed, original alloy rims, documents clear with return file, transfer must, demand 995,000 final. If you are interested, don't wait too long because urgent sale deals like this get sold quickly. That's it for today's video. If you like this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also press the bell icon so you never miss any latest car deals. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Automobile Fire.